Hello, this is your presenter Ivan Suko. Today we will be taking a step further from invoice automation to looking at how to set up automated payment system in SmartDrive ERP. Okay, so we're still at the invoice automation of invoice system. Okay, let's briefly look at the benefits of automated payment system in SmartDrive ERP. Number one reason you must automate your payment system is to eliminate fraud. All invoices and payment to your company will go through online system via the portal. Invoices is the heart of the business. This is where business generate money to run the company. Staff with fraudulent tendencies will lose their job once the payment system is automated. Implementation of the automated invoicing and payment system will bring a sudden increase in business turnover. We've seen that a lot of places we've implemented this system. The growth of any business depends on the invoicing and the payment method. Using SmartDrive ERP does not require too much professionalism. Is not required. You don't require too much expertise. SmartDrive ERP can be used as a revenue generation, and also can be used as a collection agent. We have a situation where we have to interface with a number of institutions for collection. It doesn't require too much human interference. Once you automate invoicing system and the payment system, your business outlook will definitely change, especially for starters. I always advise business starters not to go ahead and employ people. You set up a company, you bring in a professional accountant, you bring in a sales manager. All this will then add up to your cost of running business, and the invoice you generate may not be able to pay for all this. So again, let's look at how our automated payment system works. Okay, so the first thing we've done is to do an integration. Integrate our invoicing system with the global and local payment system. Okay, so we have built that integration with a number of global payment system, and we'll show you the interface. All that you need to do is to go and configure it and make sure that it works in your environment. Okay, so because we've automated the payment system, all the invoices will then be generated via email. And when you send that out, let's look at the next slide. Every invoice will now go via email, and then when the customer open the email, it will have a button to say pay now. And then once you say pay now, the client or your customer will then be open to all the payment system that you have set up. So there are various payment system you can set up for payment. Okay, so the first one is wire transfer. You set up wire transfer so that you then provide account information. So, and then when the invoice goes, the customer, your client, will then seize the account detail and pay in the money, wire the money to you via transfer. We've also integrated this system with PayPal. So PayPal integration has been done. So if you have a PayPal account, you can pay for this invoice. Then we've also done some integration, opening up payment custom payment system for local payment companies in your own local in your country. For instance, in Nigeria, we're using TaSwitch and other payment system. You can actually integrate this system with InterSwitch in a manner that once your invoice goes, your customer or your client will have InterSwitch as a payment method, and then they will be able to pay you. Now, whether it is by wire transfer, whether it is PayPal or custom payment that you've done, is all integrated into your bank account. It goes straight into your bank account. This way, once you do it this way, it means your invoice system goes directly. The customer, the client, will not have any need to pay money to any of your staff. Manual collection of money will then disappear, and all the fraud and the wuru in the invoicing department will suddenly disappear, and the health of the company will then improve. Financial health of the company will improve. The turnover will also improve. Okay, so let's then hop into the system and see how you can actually quickly set up the process or different payment method. First, you go to discuss, click on your invoicing configuration. Under the payment, you click payment acquirers, and then you can then configure wire by transfer, PayPal, or you can set up your local payment system where money will be wired to your account directly. Okay, let's show you how you can quickly achieve that. Okay, so I'm still at the nearby. Where is the nearby? Okay, let me set that up immediately. Let me go into the log into the portal for this company that we'll be using for as an example in nearby International Limited. Okay, so we're here now. So you go to discuss, and then you go to invoicing. You can see the speed at which this system runs, configuration, and then under payment here you have payment acquirers. So then you can configure your wire transfer here, in which case you're going to provide, if you say, if I click on it now, it will give me interface to provide my account detail. So once an invoice go, the customer, your client, will be able to use that account detail to pay money into your account. And then will respond by email, putting the invoice number at which the payment was done. And so that when the account department receives that payment, they will be able to validate your account. All right. And then you can also set up a PayPal account from here. You can install there, or the integration has already been done. You have a number of stripes. You can install Stripe here. We've done integration with a number of global payment system. Okay, so if you want to do a local payment system, you can actually activate an online payment here, and you activate it. Then you will be able to set up your local payment system. Okay, so thank you. I'll see you in the next model. Meanwhile, one of my son is also an auto is also anchoring some of the presentation, and I hope he has done very well. He started coding at the age of 11, and now he's fully matured and working as an expert. That's what we all of us fathers would like to see. We would like to leave this system for our children to run and for the future. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next module.